In a significant gesture of goodwill, Colonel Anirudh Sharma and Subedar Major Subramani paid a courtesy call on the Lieutenant Governor Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra at the LG Secretariat. The meeting underscored the ongoing commitment to fostering strong relations between the military and local administration. During the visit, Colonel Sharma and Subedar Major Subramani engaged in a constructive dialogue with the Lieutenant Governor, discussing key issues and the areas of mutual interest. In a notable display of institutional courtesy, Sanjeev Raina, Additional Director General of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police, and Manish Kumar, Deputy Inspector General of the Northwest Frontier ITBP, visited the Lieutenant Governor Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra at the LG Secretariat. The meeting highlighted the ongoing dialogue and cooperation between the ITBP and the regional administration. During the visit, ADG Raina and DIG Kumar engaged in a comprehensive discussion with the Lieutenant Governor covering topics of mutual interest including security, border management and regional cooperation. In a firm rebuttal to mounting speculations, prominent climate activist Sonam Wangchuk dismissed claims that his ongoing movement is politically motivated, emphasizing that his primary goal is to secure constitutional safeguards for Ladakh and protect the broader Himalayan region. Wangchuk's remarks come as he embarks on a 1,000-kilometer Delhi Chalo Padyatra aiming to bring the neglected issues of Ladakh into the national spotlight. Speaking at the virtual press conference accompanied by 75 volunteers, Wangchuk stressed that his march is a peaceful and non-political initiative driven solely by environmental and cultural concerns. This is not about politics, it's about preserving Ladakh and the entire Himalayan ecosystem, he said. Wangchuk also voiced apprehension over the Union government's recent announcement of 5 new districts in Ladakh, a decision some have hailed as a victory but which Wangchuk deems insufficient without constitutional backing. The election authorities in Ladakh have officially announced that the by-election for the 21 Thang Dumbur constituency of the Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council Kargil will be held on October 5, 2024. This decision follows the resignation of the constituency's previous elected representative, prompting the need to fill a vacant seat. The Department of Zoology Government Eliezer Jordan Memorial College Leh organized a 3-day study tour to explore Dras and Aryan Valley. The tour was granted by Principal Dr. Samina Iqbal and supervised by Dr. Mumtaz Ali, Dr. Niaz Ali and Mrs. Tahira. 30 students from 3rd and 5th semesters participated. Andhra students observed various fauna including the rare and critically endangered Himalayan brown bear with assistance of wildlife enthusiast Mr. Bahuddin and Mr. Salim. The students were briefed about the key sites related to the Kargil War including Batra Point, Tiger Hill, Tololing and Point 4875. Celebrating the International Year of Camelids, felicitation of double-humped camel farmers was organized at Deskit Nubra. ICR National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources Karnal in collaboration with Department of Animal Husbandry Leh, Deputy Director General ICR Animal Science Dr. Raghavendra and others were present at the program.